Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to online computer class. Okay, children, today we are going to continue our previous chapter, that is computer it's working, right? In previous chapter we already learned about what is computer system and what is computer. Okay, now today we are going to learn in this chapter about working of computer system and characteristics of computer. Okay, so let's start children. Okay children, today we are going to understand working of computer, means how computer work. Okay children, a computer system perform three basic functions. What are the functions? It is input, process, output. This input, process, output, here we called a IPO cycle. These process we called a IPO cycle. Okay. So what is input children? Input means when the user feeds data into a computer, it accepts the data as input through different input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner. Everyone know na keyboard, mouse, scanner, how keyboard work, right? So when you want to feed any data into the computer with the help of keyboard, in this process we call input. Okay. Now what is process? The computer process this data and changes this into information with the help of processor called CPU, Central Processing Unit. Okay, means whenever you add some data, means whenever you type some data with the help of keyboard, right? That data, where that database goes in the process functions. In this process function, we called a processing, means it is called a CPU, Central Processing Unit. Here your data will be processed. Okay. So then the third step, output. Now what is output children? After processing, the computer show the final result as an output through different output devices like monitor, printer, speaker. Means whenever you feed the data, that is input, and whatever you type it gets goes to process, right? All the process are done, and after that we have to get result. Where that result? It should output. Monitor show the result. Okay, that is called the output. So this is called input, process, output. This process we call IPO cycle. So understand children? Let's understand with the help of example. Okay. Okay children. Here the example is to prepare a mango shake. Children, if you want to prepare a mango shake, for that you require some mango pulp, sugar, milk. This things we call a input. Means we require mango pulp, sugar, milk to prepare a mango shake. We require na. So these things we call input, right? Now blend in the mixture grinder. Means all these things you have to mix it in the mixture grinder, right? This thing called process, means mango pulp, sugar, milk in the mixer grinder. This process we called a processing. Then after that mango shake is ready, right? You put in the glass and uh, you, uh, you will get the result. What? Your mango shake is ready. So this is your output, right? If you get in your glass, right, that is called, that things we call output. So this is the first example of IPO cycle, means input, process, output. Okay, understand children? Children, let us understand one more example, with the help of one more example, how IPO cycle work. Okay, here we are going to take an example as adding two number. For adding two number, what is the input, children? Here two numbers to be added are given to the computer using input devices. With the help of keyboard, you can enter a number. Okay, this process we call input, right? You can see here 10 plus 10, right? Now, second step is process. What is process? The process of addition operation is performed on this two number. Adding two numbers, 10 plus 10 means uh, it computer calculate what is the result. Okay, so it means that is process. Hmm? After that, the third step is output. Here output means result is displayed on the screen. You can see children, 10 plus 10 equals to 20, right? 20 is the result, means 20 is the output. So this is called input, process, output cycle. Understand children? Okay. Okay children, now here we are going to understand characteristics of computer, means features of computer, right? Children, a computer is a powerful and useful machines, right? It used in many different fields. You know, it is used in many different fields like hospitals, schools, banks, like that, right? So just because of these characteristics, let us have a look at some of these characteristics. Means let us understand the features of computer. So the first features of computer is speed. What? Speed. Speed is one of the major characteristics of computer system. A computer works so fast that it can process any task and provide the output in a fractions of second. Means it can perform thousands of calculation in a second, right? So this is called computer speed. Okay, now the second features of computer is storage. What? Storage. Computer can store vast amount of data, means large amount of data, right? Children, today's computer have increased storage capacity compared to earlier days. Means nowadays computers too smart. Their capacities, storage capacity is now too large. So it can store large amount of work for a long time. Okay. So this is called storage. Now the third feature is versatility. Children, versatility means computer can work at places for a different purpose. Means versatility is the one of the most wonderful features of computers. This means that computer has the ability to perform completely different kind of work with the same accuracy and efficiency at the same time. It is not just a calculating machines anymore, right? A computer can perform variety of tasks in efficiently. Right? Means it can do different kinds of work at the same time. Okay, this is the third features of computer. Now, fourth characteristics of computer is accuracy. What, children? Accuracy. A computer not only provide incredible speed, instead they are also capable of constantly work with accuracy. Right? Means the degree of accuracy is computer is very high. Computer can perform calculation at almost 100% accuracy. Means error may occur in a computer system but only because of wrong human input or inaccurate data. It means computer can work with the accuracy. Means there is not any error. It cannot make mistake on its computer can't mistake on its own. It get result mostly 100%, right? So this is the fourth characteristic of computer, right? Now the fifth characteristic of computer is diligence. Means unlike a human, the fifth characteristic is diligence. Means unlike a human, the computer does not get tired or lacks its concentration, right? Due to these characteristics, it overpower human being is the most of the regular tasks. It can work for hours without any fault. Means it can work 24 hours without asking for any rest, right? Means perform every calculation and provide all the result with the same accuracy. Means computer can't tired. Means human being can tired but computer can't tired. So this is the fifth features of this is the fifth characteristics of computers. So understand, children? Okay. Okay, children. Here our first chapter is over now, means completed. Okay, I hope you understand and you enjoy this chapter. Okay, thank you, and once again, Sai Ram. Bye.